The United States is turning up the heat on global trade again. After suffering a shocking legal setback, the Donald Trump administration is trying a new tactic to push tariffs on several countries, and India is on the list. Washington has launched fresh trade investigations into 16 major economies, accusing them of unfair trade practices and excess manufacturing capacity. If these probes lead to tariffs, they could rewire trade ties with some of America's biggest partners. So, what exactly is happening? The move comes after a setback for Trump's earlier tariff strategy. On 20th February, the US Supreme Court struck down large parts of the administration's global tariff program. But that ruling wiped out hundreds of billions of dollars in expected tariff revenues for the administration. To fill that gap, the White House is now exploring new legal tools to reinstate tariffs. As a temporary measure, the US imposed 10% tariffs on foreign goods for 150 days, but those tariffs expire on 24th of July. Now, that deadline is driving the new investigations. The investigations are being launched under Section 301 of the Trade Act of 1974. This law allows the US to impose tariffs or retaliatory measures against countries accused of unfair trade practices. The countries under scrutiny include India, China, the European Union, Japan, South Korea, and Mexico. Also on the list are Taiwan, Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia, Cambodia, Singapore, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Switzerland, and Norway. Notably, Canada, the second largest US trading partner, is not part of the probe. According to US Trade Representative Jamieson Greer, the probe will examine structural excess capacity in manufacturing. The US believes some countries produce far more goods than their domestic markets can absorb. Those goods are then exported aggressively, creating large trade surpluses with the US. And Washington argues that such imbalances hurt American industries and jobs. The investigation will move into the formal process. The Office of the US Trade Representative will invite written comments from businesses and stakeholders. Public submissions will be open until 15th April, with a hearing expected around 5th May. Officials aim to finish the probe before the temporary tariffs expire in July. If unfair trade practices are confirmed, new tariffs or restrictions could follow. Besides, the US is planning another Section 301 investigation into forced labor in global supply chains. This probe could cover more than 60 countries. The aim is to block imports suspected of being produced using forced labor. Washington already restricts products from China's Xinjiang region under the Uyghur Forced Labor Protection Act. The new probe could further expand similar restrictions. Follow for more stories.